Okay, I've got my upper lines all scored in with the back of the knife. And we're going to start adding to the bricks themselves. Okay, so you want to set your first line down low and then go off center for the second one. And then go in between, score, in between again, score, off center so it starts looking off and off. Hopefully when we get to the end it's going to line up because we're not measuring that, we're just eyeballing it. Okay, so that one's off, this one's off. Go right there. Quick scan around to see where my other lines are. They're way over there. A little deeper. Go a little bit further. Once we start getting close, I can eyeball and start gauging how much bigger I need to make them. Okay, we're right here to this point where this and this. So what I'm going to do is gauge the halfway point right here. Score that one, and then I know we're going to line up perfectly. There you go. A little more pressing. Cool. All right, let's get his belt ready to be going on. The rest of the other area is going to be done with piping, so we're going to use royal icing on that area. So I'm going to roll out the black fondant so we can do his belt. So we'll be right back. Okay, got my black fondant here for the band on our Christmas Santa upside down. Chimney Santa, Chimney Santa, there you go. All right, I made a snake out of the black fondant and I juiced it up with my Crisco. So I want to be able to measure this. So I'm guessing once I stretch this and roll it out that it'll go all the way around. So this is about the halfway mark. So if I go beyond that, I've got it. Here's my ruler. This is over 12 inches. So if I go about 24, it should match and meet all the way around. Okay, let's give ourselves some room here. I'm going to use the PME tool to cut out the ribbon. I want it pretty thin. Okay, I'm going to get the pasta machine set up so we can make this even thinner. Okay, I've got the pasta machine all set up. I want you to be able to see this. So I've got it set at 1 since I've got this pretty thin. So I'm going to turn this on. The number 1 setting. Moving it to number 2. Going a little faster because I don't want it to stretch too much. Okay, use our cutter. Press and roll. Love that tool. Black dries out really fast and crusts. Okay, I didn't use any cornstarch on this because I want it to stick to the cake. So here we're going to take it and make it roll into itself. This side is crusted in this short time span, so I'm going to roll it up to it without making it touch too much so I can get it on the cake. And the Crisco that's already on the counter should help it adhere to there. Where we want to place it. And rolling it up is perfect.